Welcome to the band gym, guys. Dave Schmidt's ResistanceBandTrain.com. So got a little bicep workout for you today. It's a 3-way bicep curl workout. And let me show you what you're going to need. First of all, you're going to need a single 41-inch band. Load up as heavy as you want or as light as you want. That's how you're going to scale your resistance and your work effort. My suggestion is an 18-inch PVC dowel or a metal dowel or a wood dowel are all fine. I want to go ahead, if you use PVC, make sure it's at least an inch and a quarter is also just fine. Here's how you're going to set it up. It's very simple. Just hook the band over top of the PVC. Make sure that it's equal when it comes to the bottom. Then go ahead, hook it over the arch of your left foot, hook it over the arch of your right foot. Make sure it's on the arch. Make sure the band is centered on the PVC. If it's not, all you do is roll it to get to the center, and you are ready to go ahead and knock out a great bicep workout. Here you go. How'd it go? More importantly, how are your arms doing? Specifically your biceps. It's a simple workout. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you click on the like button below. Also, make sure you always leave your comments. If you have any comments, please leave them at the bottom. Lastly, if you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you do. You can also follow me on Instagram at Dave_RBT. That said, guys, thanks for joining me today in the band gym. By the way, if you always want to join me in the band gym, click on the band gym button below, sign on up and become a band gym member, and I'll start working with you each and every week to go ahead and learn how to train with bands the right way so you can go ahead and definitely get better with bands. We'll talk to you soon.